Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need Unity Catalog entitlement and admin privileges in Databricks. Next, create a metastore name, choose a storage root URL, and provision a cloud KMS key for encryption. Once done, enable the Unity Catalog APIs in your account and register the target workspace to the new metastore. This links workspace identity with the catalog. Make sure network access and IAM roles are in place, so the metastore can access the storage location securely. Now you configure the metastore and define logical organization. In the account console, create the metastore, attach the storage root, and bind storage credentials so Databricks can read and write data. Then define a default catalog and create catalogs and schemas that mirror your team's data domains. While you do this, assign catalog level and schema level privileges. Grant admins full control and restrict consumers to read or write as appropriate. Keep IAM roles minimal, but sufficient to avoid accidental data exposure. Finish by migrating or registering existing tables and setting up lineage and audit policies. Use Databricks migration utilities or copy into to move managed and external tables into the Unity Catalog schema, and then validate that workspace registration and privilege inheritance work as expected. Finally, test access from end-user notebooks and jobs. If things go wrong, check IAM role bindings, storage ACLs, or bucket policies, and Databricks audit logs. Those three usually reveal permission or network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.